In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share audio on Facetime. This feature can be incredibly useful whether you're trying to share a music playlist or simply enhance the audio quality during a chat. Let's dive right into it and go through the process step by step. First, you'll want to open the Facetime app on your iPhone or iPad and initiate a call. You can either start a new video or audio call or answer an incoming one. Once you're connected, you'll be ready to proceed with sharing audio. After your call has started, the next thing you need to do is access the control center on your device. To do this, simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen. The control center is a powerful tool that gives you quick access to various settings, including audio output options. Now look for the AirPlay icon. It's easily identifiable as a triangle with concentric circles emanating from it. Depending on your device and settings, you might see an audio sharing icon as well. Tap on one of these icons to proceed. Once you've tapped the icon, you'll see a list of available devices to which you can share your audio. Here you have the flexibility to choose from a range of options like a Bluetooth speaker, wireless headphones, or any compatible device you've paired with before. Selecting one of these devices directs your iPhone or iPad to stream the call audio through that particular device. With your chosen device now selected, the audio should be shared seamlessly. This means that, for instance, if you've chosen a speaker, the other person on the call will be able to enjoy enhanced sound quality, making your call experience clearer and more enjoyable. Finally, when you want to stop sharing audio, you will need to return to the control center. Simply swipe down from the top right corner of your screen again, and you'll be back where you started. Look for the option to stop sharing, or if you prefer, you can turn off the Bluetooth or audio device altogether. This will reroute the audio back to your iPhone or iPad's internal speakers or default audio output. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to share audio on Facetime that can enhance your communication and make sharing moments with friends or loved ones even more special. Give it a try during your next call and enjoy the rich, clear audio together.